WorkTime Cloud Quick Start. As easy as 1, 2, 3. On WorkTime.com, click Try Now, enter your name, email, and password. WorkTime offers a fully featured 14-day trial that can be used to monitor unlimited employees. No credit card required. After that, click Sign Up Now. This will quickly create your WorkTime Cloud account. Here you go, your account has been created. Now click the Quick Start button and download the monitoring agent. Done. The agent has been successfully downloaded. Now simply run the agent installation. It is silent, you won't see any messages. Also done. The first reports will appear in a few minutes. This is the summary report, showcasing total active and idle time, hourly breakdown, active time progress, attendance, productivity percentage, top applications and websites, and more. The What's Now report displays each employee's current status, working, idle, are not at work, the duration since their last activity, and the content on their screens. The active time report displays active time in total, actual versus expected, and active time per employee. The login and logout report displays when employees log in or log out. WorkTime analyzes employee screens, offering an alternative to invasive screenshot recording. WorkTime is designed to be non-invasive. The Internet Summary Report displays the total internet usage by employees, top websites, top internet users, and more. The Applications Report displays the applications being used, total time spent, and time per day. The full log report is ideal for in-depth analysis as it displays every employee activity. The Employee Report provides comprehensive details about employee activity. So, getting started with WorkTime is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Create an account. 2. Download the monitoring agent. 3. Install the monitoring agent. Done. You're all set. Try WorkTime now at WorkTime.com.